It's the most famous place to buy beers until 6 a.m. See anything is the 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m. Agave is growing.
So this is the highway. We're going out to Tequila.
Yes.
And you say it's 1.5 hours away? Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to have to drink something, soda or water? Because I am thirsty.
Yeah, we could stop for something.
It exists the 7-Eleven there. It exists in America, the 7.
Oh yeah, it's an American company, I think.
It's a good place. Only the poor person buy there.
No, it's a common convenience store, just like here.
Casa Herradura.
Casa Herradura.
It's the most famous tequila.
Most famous tequila.
Herradura and the best.
And then you say there's some pirate tequilas in China.
China and other places. Here is the original.
Yeah. So this is the original place where they made tequila. Okay. It's gonna be exciting. So this is...
So smash, and then they smash.
They smash it up.
They get the liquid.
Yeah. And what's this called?
Piña.
Piña.
Piña. They call piña, but it's not the
It's the root of that big plant, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oye, disculpa. ¿Esas qué tienen?
¿O gules?
Gules.
¿Cómo se llaman? Se llaman de los dos nombres, de las dos formas, ¿no? ¿Y qué tienen?
Mira, tienen semilla.
¿Pero son esos para limpiar y meter agua o qué?
Sí.
Y ahí se pone fría, ¿no?
Se utilizan para cargar agua cuando van allá de campo.
So I just arrived in Tequila, and all over the place you can buy a gallon of tequila for only 45 pesos. That's about $4.50. And all sorts of different brands. So downtown Tequila.
You can feel the weather.
Yeah, that's nice. I like the weather here.
Oye, disculpa, la casa Cuervo, no sabes. Oh, derecho, muchas gracias.
Gracias. Cuervo.
Clock works.
Esculpido en el árbol de la historia de los mexicanos, esfuerzos por una nación joven y pujante.
In the case of District 1, we transport all the employees. One used to transport about after this 6 hours of baking, all the starches are your main sugar.
This is fresh agave.
At this point, we get final citation in the category of tequila that we. And these tequilas are tequilas which spend longer than 3 years of age. It's one of the most important artists in Mexico. And well, I'm going to play the case of Miguel. It's considered as the best tequila around the world since 2002. And actually the best tequila that this factory produced. It's called Family Reserve because before 1995, this tequila was tasted only for the owners. So since then we do something like a big contest between the best artists in Mexico. We used to put some hot rocks in the bottom, then we put all the pineapples and we cover with fabric to add the water to start with its baking.
So now I'm over here in a town called Tequila, Mexico, which is about 1.5 hours to the north of Guadalajara. It's nice to get out of the city because even though Guadalajara was a nice city, especially in downtown, it was a little smoggy there with the fumes and stuff. But now it's nice here in the little countryside. We got the Hidalgo statue in the background, famous person in Mexican history. We got the big cathedral here in Tequila, and then there's also a volcano here. So it's a pretty nice town. We went through a little museum of the tequila, how it was created and made. So that was informative. We tried to find burritos here in Mexico, but it's really difficult, even though it's supposed to be the Mexican food. So now we're going to get in the car and head back, and hopefully we'll see some interesting things along the way back. All of the Mexicans around here like to wear a big cowboy hat like this. And this is the big crow. They have this statue here because the owner of this place, his last name was Crow, so it represents his name, the founder actually. And they always keep a live crow in here also. But if the crow starts saying bad words, then they have to change the crow and put a new one in there. Now we're leaving this authentic village with cobblestone streets and headed back to Guadalajara. It should take about an hour or so.